I was walking up here, and this is the dangerous part about being working on a game like Infamous. Is you look around and you think,
calling the Department of Unified Protection. Please stay on the line for an important message from our director, Brooke Augustine.
Bioterrorists. What do you think when you hear that word? Cold McGrath? The beast? Fear? Oppression? I'm here to tell you that Cole and all the other bioterrorists were once ordinary people, just like you. They didn't know that lurking within them was a sickness, a gene that would transform them into something violent and terrible, a gene that could be inside you. Bioterrorism can be stopped, but it has to start with you. Do your part for a brighter, safer world.
Brought to you by the Department of Unified Protection.
yeah, hold
Here
R1
to help.
on the pillars. Oh, there's the L1 to L1.
Goodbye.
All right. That was creepy. That was cool. Yeah, it was cool.